was a painful winter, a harsh time. And like all difficult things, it has become harder and harder to accurately recall. Yet it may serve us best not to forget the experience of that winter. Undeniably, it was severe. Millions were inconvenienced. Thousands suffered. Hundreds died. But what is of lasting significance is not that it was harsh. This nation has endured harsh winters before. But rather that for a moment, the grand illusion that we as a nation have no energy problems was stripped away. In a sense, it became a frightening preview of our...
Things took a turn for the worse. From Nashville to Chicago, from Pittsburgh to Orlando, came reports of temperatures plunging toward all-time lows. From New England down to Florida, it was a race against...
Sources were quite literally its people's lifeline, that its energy-intensive heartbeat was close to being paralyzed. For winter pleasure, were pressed into service for the serious business of moving food, medicine, and clothing where it was most needed, to people who couldn't move beyond their...
Their first job was to open up snow-choked streets as they worked through the bitter nights, clearing a path for emergency vehicles. Coming to a close, one government official said that 2 more weeks of this kind of cold and the whole thing could come to pieces. The country was very close to the ragged edge.